Hello everyone, this is Henry Magembe, Sebo Dragon Fruit Farmer, Uganda, Mbalala Mukono. Today I'm with my colleagues, Mpima is training, and someone else, Kisamo Emmanuel, is going also to train the other side. Today I've come to talk about pruning and how we prune and at what stage are we supposed to prune the dragon fruit and different varieties. For example, how do we prune the Vietnam white? How do we prune the Moroccan red, the black dragon? How do we prune the orange giant? So today we are going to learn different things, and you people, you are going to appreciate. Some people have been asking that how do we prune? What am I supposed to use for pruning? First and foremost, you must possess a pruner. This one, like this one. And you must make sure that it is hard enough, because some cambiums are hard. When you use weak pruners, they will break and you will end up also damaging your fingernails or your fingers. So I'm going to start with my Vietnam white. You can show them. I'm going to start with my Vietnam white. You can see. First and foremost, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you cut here. You have to make sure that this side is not damaged, because in most cases, when this side or when this part is damaged, it may rot. It may make the whole plant to rot or to get some infections. Are you seeing? So this is the right way how we prune this Vietnam white of ours. So this is a seedling. In fact, we are going to get two of them from this one. We cut in the middle. We also prune this one here. I think this part is not damaged. You're seeing this part is not damaged. So you have to make sure that the cambium is cut properly, such that the other part is not damaged. And some of the benefits of pruning, that it aids in prevention of competition for food and nutrients, such that these others, the main branches, they receive enough nutrients and food and water, such that they grow healthy and well. We also go this side. So I have to apply like this icing. So you have to make sure that this part is not damaged. I think the way we have cut it, you have to make sure that it is not damaged. So I think our healthy cuttings. So these ones now are the seedlings we are talking about. They are healthy. They are healthy, as you're seeing. And this one also, these ones, you remove these ones. So this one, not going to be used. But this one is healthy. This one is the cutting, the seedling. There is this one. This one here. There is this. But this one, yeah, we have to cut it. I have to cut this one also. Let me see. Yeah, where 1, 2, 3. So let me leave this one here, because this one, this one. I remove this one. I remove this one. So and this, yeah. So I have to cut it from here. You have to be careful when you are pruning. So what you have to know when pruning, When pruning, you have to make sure that you avoid using these, the slasher, the panga. You have to make sure that you don't use a slasher, because some Africans or some fellow Africans of mine, like me, they tend to say that me, I don't have money to buy the materials, and they end up using a slasher for pruning. My friend, you will end up damaging the plant and causing a lot of infection to the plant, like anthracnose. Because it is a viral disease. So you also have to avoid using a panga. Assist me with the panga, Pima, and I show them. This one, you'll also, because it does a lot of work and it cuts different tree species with different diseases, which may also end up affecting our plants. So the pruner, there is this one, the pruner. So you have to sterilize it using alcohol. Alcohol is the best in sterilizing. So some people call it a pruner, other people call it sokatoa in our language this side. But most of you know the pruner. So you have to make sure that it is sterilized, because when we are cutting, some plants may be affected when no one knows that it is affected, because the signs are seen after some times. So, or after some time. So you have to make sure that this pruner or the sokatoa is sterilized. So when you're pruning our garden or our plants, you have to make sure that the cutting or the seedling you are pruning, it is healthy. As you are seeing this one, it is healthy. All my plants are healthy. Are you seeing? That's why I will continue advising and encouraging my fellow farmers or people who are willing to start dragon fruit farming, that you have to make sure that the cuttings you are selling are healthy. All the cuttings you are pruning from the main plant are healthy, are not affected by any disease. You have to make sure that they are rooted. You have to make sure that the cuttings are rooted. So please, people, I want to keep on encouraging you. Make sure that your garden is as clean as you are seeing ours. Make sure that the bed you are going to plant these healthy plants of ours, it is fertile. You have to mix it with organic manure or compost, such that you increase the fertility of the soils, such that it increases the rooting process. And still, let me talk about something small before I say goodbye to you. Are you seeing this one? This one, you are seeing it. It is small, but it is healthy. You can see it. It contains its good chlorophyll. It's not lacking anything. These are the cuttings or seedlings you are supposed to what? To plant. So please make sure, and when you are buying seedlings, make sure that the seedlings are really, 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 really healthy. Are healthy and rooted. I want to remind each and everyone, I remain Henry Magembe Sebo, Dragon Fruit Farmer, Uganda, Mbala Mkono. Don't forget to subscribe. We are willing, we welcome each and everyone from different countries. We welcome each and everyone. You are free to call us, come to your garden, we teach you, we encourage you, we show you how dragon fruit farming is done, wherever you are all over the globe. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.